Hiya, Brady. Mine.
Yay, I won.
Let's call your grandma. We have amazing news.
Oh, what is it?
She won first place.
Congratulations, so proud.
Yay! That's wonderful, honey.
I got it.
Good job,
I got
Shelly.
I got it.
Your sister won too.
We should display this somewhere special.
We are so proud of you, honey.
Why does my family never acknowledge my efforts? And I did everything for my family they can be proud of.
But who are they rejoicing for? My sister! I deserve a better family than this!
Why am I like this? Why can't I just be happy for her? I'm such a terrible person.
I know what you are feeling. A heart at peace gives life to the body, but envy rots the bones.
You don't understand.
Love is not jealous. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not arrogant. The heart is deceitful above all things and beyond cure. Who can understand it?
Hey, you're home! We thought you went out with friends celebrating. Didn't bother calling you. Come see what I made for you!
I have a surprise for you. I'm sure you will love it.
Ready?
See what I made for you.
Hey, what happened? Are you okay? I will love you. Always.